wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best biometric door locks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, ASSA ABLOY Digi 6600-98 biometric door lock has a sliding cover to shield both the fingerprint sensor and the keypad buttons from the elements. Those buttons are divided up onto either side of the lock to increase the security of your passcode if someone tries to watch you. Its motorless drive unit unlocks the bolt and the keypad shuts down after 3 failures. However, it is sensitive to humidity. At number 7, the ZK-TECO PL10B Bluetooth-compatible biometric door lock uses your cell phone as readily as your fingerprint for easy entry into your space. You can also assign safety levels to different users, limiting how much data is visible on certain devices. It works with iOS and Android platforms and includes a one-touch open button, but it comes with confusing instructions. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you're concerned that a biometric lock will advertise to criminals the potential for high-value loot in your space, the NextBolt NX4 by Actuator Systems is designed to look like any other deadbolt until you slide its top compartment up to reveal the biometric scanner. This one's weatherproof for outdoor use and has an impact alarm to ward off intruders. However, there's no coded entry system. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for biometric door locks, or click beneath this video. At number 5, the iTouchless Biomatic fingerprint door lock will perform up to 15,000 scans on a single set of 4 AA batteries. Toward the end of that cycle, a low battery warning alert will help prevent you from locking yourself out in the cold. It has a capacity for 150 fingerprints and automatically locks behind you, but the buttons are too small for big hands. Halfway up our list at number 4, Samsung's SHS H700 is essentially the less expensive turn handle version of their SHS P718. Other than the difference in the opening style and the compatible door thickness, however, you don't lose very many features by going with this model. It features an automatic sliding cover for the keypad and a mechanical override key. However, it is noisy when opening. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Aardwolf's A20 high-sensitivity door lock uses an auto-inductive sensor to get more accurate readings on fingerprint input. It also includes a random password protection feature that allows you to key in any numbers before or after your actual password to better conceal it. It includes software that tracks user activity and a passage mode for easy ins and outs, but you can't switch the handle direction. At number 2, Adele's 3398 keyless biometric door lock installs with nothing more complicated than a screwdriver, making it an ideal choice for consumers with less than current technical knowledge or a desire to keep things simple. It's universal enough to fit almost any door. It features left or right-handed installation options, a key-only entry option, and a zinc alloy body. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Samsung SHS P718 digital biometric door lock relies on the simplicity of pushing and pulling motions to open your door after you've unlocked it. In addition to the fingerprint scanner, a self-illuminating flatbed keypad allows you to program up to 12 digits of code. It comes with a locking notification on the panel and stores up to 100 prints. It'll work on 40 to 80mm thick doors. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for biometric door locks, or click beneath this video.